Good morning, everybody. What's actually my good morning? Good afternoon, everybody. I'm just here in the office. I just said I'd do a quick Facebook Live just to say I don't know what to say about all the messages and everything that I got from the announcement on, when did I do it? On Friday. Absolutely blown away. I'm trying to work something here on the computer as well and at the same time. I have been inundated with texts, emails, messages, comments on the page, everything. It's just been absolutely crazy. I can't get over the amount of people that have been on to me to say, you know, congratulations and well done. And so thank you so much. So what I'm doing now is I'm just putting up, where are we now here? Where is that? There we go. I'm just going to put up the link again to the show on Amazon. Just so people can hopefully share it to as many people as possible, because at the end of the day, it's all great about getting this thing on Amazon, but if people don't watch it, then it doesn't really amount to anything. Hi Mary, how are you? So I've just posted up the link there again now. So anybody who's in America, anybody who knows anybody over in the States, Canada, there was a lot of people asking about the UK. I was just talking to the distribution company over the weekend, yesterday actually, and I was told that it's going to be on Amazon Prime in the UK, hopefully within the next 2 weeks maximum. So as soon as I get that link, I'll post that up as well, so everybody in the UK is going to be able to watch it too, and more importantly, hopefully rate it, put a little comment on it, because... Hey Paul, how's things? Thanks very much as well. Thank you for the great work and the news. Well done. Thanks a million. Got loads more compliments coming in. Never mind that, lads. I don't do compliments very well, I have to admit. But yeah, so it's going to be on in the UK, hopefully within the next 2 weeks at the absolute max. But I will post that link up. But what's most important, as I said, is that we get 5-star rates for the show, that people put in comments to say that they like it, because that all helps the, what is it, the analytics, is that what they call it, on Amazon, which drives the show further and further up the ratings, which means that when you go onto Amazon Prime, a bit like Netflix, when you go onto it, hopefully the show one day is going to be on the front home screen, which would be just an absolute incredible dream come true. So yeah, so if you know anybody in the States, if you know anybody in Canada, because it's on live on both those countries at the moment, just send them the link, say please go on and have a look at it, lads. It would mean so much. Hello from Houston, you big idiot. Thanks, Ashley. How are you? And I love it. No compliments. Yeah, so you're the perfect candidate now, Ashley, that I'm talking about. Hopefully watch it on Amazon Prime if you're a subscriber to it. And also tell everybody that you know over in the States, if people have it on their phones, grab the phone off them, put on the link and rate the show for it there and there. Because I think there's only about 3 or 4 rates and comments. Where's the link? On the show so far. So I mean, to get that up into hundreds or thousands will be just, well, that's probably not going to happen, but it would be just fantastic. So anyway, that's exactly what we are looking for. So that's about it. But I just really wanted to come on. Sorry that I'm on the computer at the same time. I just wanted to come on and basically say thanks so much. As I said, the reach of the video is into its, I don't know, 20,000-30,000 at this stage. It's absolutely incredible. And so many people saw it, so many people commented on it, so many people congratulated me. So I just wanted to come back on and say, look, you have no idea how much I appreciate that. That's what drives me, that's what keeps me going. And hopefully there'll be more news coming in the next couple of months, especially about the other show that we've done, Treyvaud's Kitchen. It's all done, I was telling everybody. It's all past QC for Flame Distribution. So they go off selling it now worldwide. And we are currently at the moment, Enda, I should say, is currently at the moment putting together a nice little promo. We've done a little 30-second clip, but he's going to cut a lovely promo of that cooking show, and I can just tell you one thing: it's nuts, it's fun, it's just having a laugh, it's just proper cooking, no nonsense, no messing. And geez, that's a big one. Is that I hear, Paul, you're becoming a social media. Say hi, Tony. If you walk into a Facebook Live, you have to say hi, Anthony. Mouse and make today. RT have given you a series of meet and greet all your food. Yeah, such as my pal Donald. I reckon he was watching the last Facebook Live. Do you reckon? How are you, Donald? Oh, you have to laugh. Anyway, look, that's a huge amount of comments coming in again. So yeah, basically, guys, thanks a million so much for everybody's incredible support, beautiful comments that came in. Really appreciate it, and hopefully onwards and upwards now, and hopefully this Treyvaud Travels on Amazon Prime is going to take the world by storm. Could you imagine? Fantastic. Guys, have a great Sunday. We'll chat to you again during the week. As soon as I have that link for the show on Amazon on the UK, I'll do another Facebook Live. I'll do another... Oh yeah, I knew there was something else I was going to say. Tomorrow the press release is going out nationwide. I don't know who picks up on these things, but hopefully maybe a couple of the online Joe.es, the journals, the newspapers, all that kind of stuff. Hopefully they're going to pick up on it. So if you see anything anywhere, make sure to tag me in it or post it back up, because sometimes I just miss these kind of things, and it'd be great if we got a little bit of traction behind it here in the country. So keep an eye out for that next week. It goes out tomorrow, so it could be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday by the time somebody picks up on it. But hopefully it'll say Kerry Restaurateur has signed a massive deal with Amazon Prime. So anyway, guys, have a great Sunday. Just wanted to come and say thanks for everything again, and we'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye.